Hi, yoga buddies. Today we're going to do a fun and easy yoga flow to move our bodies and smile together. If you like doing yoga with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Standing with legs straight and hips facing forward, fold your torso over the front leg, keeping both legs long and strong. The spine stays long. Hands can rest on the shin, floor, or blocks. Alternate between left and right. Front knee bent, front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Keep your front knee bent. Lift your front arm up and back. Feel a gentle stretch through your side body. Breathe in confidence. Then repeat on the opposite side. Balance on one leg with the upper leg lifted behind you. One hand supports on the mat, the other reaches up, chest open. Alternate between left and right. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. Kneeling upright, arms reaching diagonally upward in a V shape, chest open, heart lifted, gentle smile. Lying on the back, holding the feet with knees bent wide toward the armpits. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Before we finish, let's take 30 seconds to breathe together. Sit comfortably, breathe in slowly through your nose, and breathe out gently through your mouth. Feel your body calm and happy. Great job, Yoga Star. You moved your body with so much joy and ease today. If you had fun, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Namaste.